Today is lesson 2.2, Use Picture Graphs. Our essential question is, how can you read and interpret data in a picture graph? The vocabulary words that you will see is key. The key tells that each picture or symbol stands for the way students might like a favorite pet or how to get to school, anything like that, but the key tells what each picture or symbol stands for. Then a picture graph uses small pictures or symbols to show and compare information. Our first problem of the day is Melody drove a bus 849 miles in 4 days. How many miles did Melody drive rounded to the nearest hundred? Well, we know that when you round, you look at the place value, so 8. We look at its neighbor. The neighbor is actually less than 5, so because it's 4, that means that it's going to turn into zeros, and the 8 stays the same. So my answer would be 800. Using this picture graph here, I want to explain how we do a picture graph when the symbol stands for more than just one. So right here we have mystery, science fiction, and biography. Each X stands for 2 people. The one on the far right, this sideways V, actually stands for half. Half of 2 would be 1. So this means in this picture graph, 1, 2, because each X stands for 2, so 2, 4, 6, and then this stands for 1 would be 7. So 7 people like mystery. For science fiction, we just can count by 2s because we know that every X stands for 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8 people like science fiction. And then for a biography, we can count by 2 and then 4, but we know this is actually half, and half of 2 is 1. So 2, 4, 5. So here is 5 for biography. So which one would be the most? Well, I know that science fiction has the most because that's 8. Our next one would be 7, which is mystery, and our smallest one would be 5, which is biography. On your Post-it, I want you to make this graph. Games we like best was soccer, basketball, and tag, and each circle stands for 5. So I want you to tell me how many are in each part. So how many people like soccer, how many like basketball, and how many in tag. But we know that each circle counts for 5. So for example, soccer would be 5, 10, 15, so 15 total. So on your Post-it, please answer this and turn it in.